Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This right here is Mini, and this one right here is a 72-inch cat tree that I want to show you to do because we have 4 cats at home. This is just Mini, but we have 3 more, and sometimes we even foster cats. So having something like this is not the only one we have, but it's kind of like an additional one that we wanted for this window, so they can actually come here and like watch the birds, the squirrels, the people walking, and things like that. And they actually like it, and they also like to sleep in here. Let's talk about the assembly process before I showed some of the features on a close-up to you. But the assembly process was not bad at all. It was actually pretty quite simple. I didn't even use like super much like power tools or something like that. And it took me about, I want to say, I don't know what it's doing, but it took me about 20 minutes, no more than that. And it's pretty well explained, so you're not going to have any issues with this one. But the other thing that I want to talk about this one, besides that is 72 inches tall, is that this one is more designed for small to medium cats, not large cats, because as I was telling you before, we have 4 cats and 2 of them are males. Actually, there's one here. Hawkeye is right here at the bottom of it, and he's a 21-pound cat, and Tiger Shark, our other male cat, is 22 pounds cat. They are very large cats, so they can't actually fit in here. I'm gonna show you why. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, here's Minnie. Minnie is a medium-sized cat. She's like 12 pounds. So you can see that she fits perfectly here in this platform. And she also fits in here, and she also fits in here. But that's 12 pounds. Minnie is 12 pounds. So you can see the difference between a 12-pound cat and a 20-pound cat. So that's what I was telling you before. I think this one is more for like medium to small size cats, because these 2 platforms over here, and maybe even this one a little bit, they're more like more small platforms, I have to say. And this one right here, as well as this one, comes with the ears right here. So I think it's a really nice touch. And of course, it is super fluffy and soft. So these platforms over here are kind of like made for them to sleep, kind of like relax and chill, of course. And then you have the middle section over here that has a condo right here, like a room right here, and another one right here, kind of like a big one. And also the ladder condo like for this one, for them to climb if they have any issues. And you may actually be able to see the tail moving down there. That's where Hawkeye is, the big one. Which, by the way, I didn't realize that also Tiger Shark was there at the bottom. So this bottom section is more for like big cats. This is a big condo over here, and this is kind of like the big platform, platform right here at the bottom part. It comes with a lot of scratching posts, as you can see over here on the bottom part, middle section, and up here as well some other toys for them to play as well. But again, as I was telling you before, this platform is super nice for them to chill, play, just relax, something like that. Of course, they really like it because of that. This one is a tall one, super easy to assemble, super fluffy cushion, really soft as well. And of course, it will provide a ton of space for them to chill, relax, nap, and also kind of like see through the window if you have something like that. Oh my God, Mini. So I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. Mwah. See you soon.